Dragonfly is that it uses CHIRP. The sounder technology is quite advanced. It's a dual channel CHIRP device. So we have two discrete channels, one that is aimed at detecting fish and finding fish, and the other aimed at detecting and finding structure.
And which frequency bands are those?
Okay, so with the fish, what we call the traditional sonar device, will chirp between 170 and 230 kilohertz. With the higher frequency sound vision device, we're chirping between 320 and 380 kilohertz. Now, there's a couple of advantages that we have here. One is, because we're chirping, we can run lower frequencies than some of our competitors, which enable us to go deeper, go operate in deeper waters. For example, our down vision product will operate in over 600 feet of water, including salt water. Secondly, we can maintain at these lower frequencies some very high resolution. So even with the traditional sonar, we're getting very high resolution images utilizing this CHIRP technology. In addition to this technology, Raymarine has also developed its own transducer. So we have designed and engineered a transducer specifically for the Dragonfly product, which is acoustically and electrically matched to Dragonfly's transceivers. It's a very, very sensitive transducer. We're using relatively low power with this product because it's unnecessary to go to high power. Now, what's special about the transducer is that it's a single device that contains two elements. So we have what we call a conical beam element, which is a circular element that delivers about a 25-degree cone under the boat, again using high-resolution CHIRP for fish finding. Now, for the down vision product that enables us to look in fine detail at structure and bottom images, is what we call a stacked array. And this stacked array gives us a 60-degree angle, but at a very, very, very narrow slice of 1.4 degrees. So by enabling the unit to look at very thin slices of the bottom, we again can enhance the resolution of our down vision process and the ability to look at structure under the water.
And this is a transom mount transducer, is that right?
Yes, currently it is available with a transom mount. There will be a trolling motor option that has a shield on it, which will be available in about a month. And then we're also working on a through-hull design that will operate with the Dragonfly product.
Is the transducer included in the retail of $649?
It is.
What's the size of the transducer, by the way? Because one of the things that we've learned in the introduction of a lot of deep water CHIRP transducers is that the transducers themselves can be very large.
Yeah.
How big is this one?
This one is